Hey everyone, how's it going? So I wanted to give everybody a huge thank you. All my subscribers, everybody that watches my channel. I just hit the 200,000 subscriber mark, which blows my mind. I cannot believe that you guys enjoy my videos and my talking and my rants and everything else as much as you do. And I really appreciate it. I couldn't do any of this without you. You guys are the backbone to this. So seriously, thank you so much. So I had made mention in a previous video about these collaboration requests that I keep getting. I literally get like 8 to 12 emails a day just for some type of a collaboration. I have a cheat sheet here, so if you see me looking down, you know why. And it's people that want to send me products for review, stuff like that. And they want to pay me to do it. And I've said no. I've been deleting them, deleting every single day. And then I started seeing different things, and it's just like, you know what? I could really use that tool, or I could really use that product for my own vehicle. And it's like, they want to send it to me, so why not accept it? And I've said this, and a lot of you are like, yeah, heck yeah, take the free stuff if people want to send it to you. So I just want you to know, and these are the rules I go by. What I started doing was, I would say 99.9% of these things I get rid of. I just delete them. Don't send me any more stuff. I don't want to deal with you. And the reason being is like I get collaboration requests from people that make, online video games. Lawn lights was another one. I got something for lawn lights. I got stuff for like tree pruning equipment, and battery operated stuff like that. Perfume and cologne. Huh? And if the funny thing is, they always send me an email that says, we really enjoy your channel. We've been watching it and really getting into what you do, and we think we would be a perfect fit for you. I think we could work together. I think our collaboration together would be perfect. It would be like a perfect unity. And I'm like, cologne, perfume? Have you even watched any of my videos? Like, seriously? I get car stereo stuff. The best one I ever got was for activewear. Yeah, activewear. Like sports bras and sports underwear and, like bicycle shorts, the ones that the guys that ride the bikes on the roads or road courses and stuff, like, can you imagine seeing me in that with a skin tight? Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you really watch my videos. Okay. So anyway, it's kind of funny if you think about it. So like I said, I'd say 99% of these I delete. What I started doing was I started telling people, and when somebody sends me a product, I will tell you, hey, they sent me this. So just so you know. So what I started doing was I sent them an email back. Like if it's something that I think I can use, like tools or, like I said, auto parts or anything like that. Because I get like exhaust systems and air suspensions and stuff like that. And you know what? I could actually use an air suspension for my pickup truck. So I have one coming. So my rules are, and when I say air suspension, I mean like the load leveling, because my truck's a 1500. So when I have the trailer on it, even with the Saturn on it, it's like it really sinks the rear end of the truck. So I was thinking about putting an airbag system in the rear anyway. I've done it for other vehicles in the past, so I was thinking about doing it anyway. So guess what? A company reached out to me, and they're a United States company too. So I was just like, And they make airbags for like semis and stuff like that, like actual air suspension stuff. But they do make these kits also. So they reached out to me, and what I've started saying to these emails is, okay, if you want me to review your product, I will. I will not take payment. I know some of you guys say, take the payment. No, because as far as I'm concerned, that would skew any legitimacy to what I have to say, and I'm not willing to do that. So no, I don't need the payment. I don't want the payment. I won't, because then I feel like I'm beholden to them, if you follow what I'm saying. So as far as I'm concerned, my email goes out and it says, basically, it's my channel, it's my rules. I will not take a payment. I will not send the video back to you for pre-approval. I'm going to make the video and I'm going to post it. So if you think your product is good and I think your product's good, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you guys. However, if you send me your product and you know you have a piece of junk or you have something that's substandard, guess what? I'm going to point it out. So no, I will not send you a video for pre-approval. Ain't happening. So if you want to take that chance and send me the product, if you even have a subpar product, I'm going to review it. I'm not turning the channel into a review channel. It's not what's happening. But I figure, hey, I could, if it's something I can use, then yeah. Like, you're not going to see me all of a sudden one day in a pair of spandex out there saying, oh, look how good these things fit. No, ain't happening. I know how good I look anyway, so. But Mrs. Wrenching's next to me cracking up, just so you know. Anyway, so the other thing too is I won't change my job flow to make your product fit into what I'm doing. So if you send me something, I'm trying to think of the last thing I got. The last thing I got was for that air suspension. But like I said, I wanted to do that anyway, or that airbags kit to level out the rear. It could be one day, it could be 1 year. I don't know. I'm not making you any promises as to when it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I don't know when. I'm not going to change the job flow to make it happen. I'm not going to make up a job to make it happen. You follow? So if I believe it's something that's going to fit into my schedule within, like, say, the next year, then yeah, sure. I actually had a company reach out to me about a plasma cutter. Now, I already have a plasma cutter, but they said to me they would send me a plasma cutter for a review, and they would pay me and everything else. So I sent them an email back. I said, you know what? I don't really need a plasma cutter, but I have one at the shop. Could I use one at home? Sure, I could use one at home. So if you want to send me a plasma cutter, go right ahead. It's a 110-220. So if you want to send me a plasma cutter, go right ahead. Send it to me. And I'll make a review the next time I have to cut something with the plasma cutter. But I will not make a video purposely just to show the plasma cutter. Not happening. So if they decide to send me a plasma cutter, so be it. I'll let you guys know. But like I said, what I will do is I will tell you, if it's something that was sent to me, if it was a gift to me or whatever, I will let you know. And I'll also let you know when you guys send me gifts and stuff like that, because it does happen. I've showed you videos with that when it does happen. So, Joe Stubbs recently sent me the drill, the Milwaukee, and the gloves and everything else. So, hey, thank you. I appreciate it. McKinley he sends me stuff. It's all stuff I really appreciate. These are names that just pop into my head real quick. So if I missed you, it's not on purpose. I appreciate everybody that does this for me. I really do. So moving forward, I have plans. I want to build another garage on my property, a bigger garage where I can actually have a lift and stuff like that. So what I'm thinking of doing is I am thinking of making a members, like where you guys can join. I did mention this a couple of videos ago too. Have memberships, and the memberships would basically include, hey, you get to see the videos ahead of time. I'm not going to make exclusive content for members, so to speak. There may be like little stupid behind the scenes type stuff. Stupid is not the right word, but little little incidental, stuff I might clip out of a video or whatever that's just like nonsensical or whatever. I may make, little short videos here and there that like a regular person just looking at the channel may not be interested in. I may make stuff like that that's exclusive to members only. And I'm going to be doing live chat type stuff probably sometime next year. Not exactly sure when. And some of that stuff is going to be exclusive to members. So, but I'm not going to change what you guys see right now on the channel. That's going to remain exactly the way it is. None of that is going to change. So for those of you that don't want to become members, it's fine. I totally get it. I wouldn't want to become a member either unless it's something I'm really into. So, and I'm not going to change it all that much. But like I said, members will get like 24 hours to preview the videos and stuff like that before anybody else. That's like the main thing. And also, the reason for having memberships too is, like I said, I want to build a garage on a property, and that would help fund the project to build the garage. That's like a main thing. I already have a concrete guy. I already kind of know the building I want to build. I got to get well, septic, the whole 9 yards out there, electric. So it's something that's in the works for sometime next year. So, but that's going to be like a main reason too for memberships. I just got to figure out how all that stuff works. I'm trying to do all this stuff by myself. So, Mrs. Wrenching is a big help. She really does help me with a lot of this stuff, especially like answering emails and stuff like that. So, and you guys know, you see her add to the comments here and there, and I tried to get to them as much as possible. But anyway, that's kind of it. I know I'm rambling. I figured I just wanted to touch on those things. But there again, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You got me to 200,000, and it blows my mind. It really does. So I'm kind of on vacation at the moment, kind of back and forth to the house, but actually off from work for the next week, and then I'll be heading back to the shop. So, but you're going to see videos. I did mention that I was going to be on vacation. So, but you are going to see videos. I do have stuff coming up. I do have older videos that I got to re-edit and put back up. So you will be seeing that. I am still available for you guys. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day and keep wrenching.